Hey guys, Tony, good morning. It looks like we are going to have our first loss from the breakout strategy. I bought these crowd calls and debit spreads back in early July, I think. They actually expire next week. All these crowds expire next week. Ideally, the perfect time to actually, The perfect time to actually sell these would be this week. I don't like holding calls or really any options on the week of expiry. So because these are expiring next week, I wouldn't want to hold them next week, just because theta, they're going to be super prone to theta decay. They're going to get killed just on theta alone, which is ideally, I don't like I said, if I buy a contract a month or a month and a half out, I really only hold it for about a month and a week, because I don't like holding it for the last week that it's actually gonna expire. Because for the most part, unless that ticker that you have has some crazy push to the upside, you really don't make any money. So I mean, most of my calls were around 260, 270, and then the 320 for the actual fib, and a little bit later. This would have to not only go back to previous all-time highs, but go close to another maybe 50-60% above that. And I don't think it's gonna happen. So we are at an 87% loss right now on crowd. I'll have to sell all of these today, and I am gonna be this is gonna be the first loss on the breakout strategy. Thankfully, I think we are up somewhere like 3,000, 3,500 on the breakout strategy from, I think, since we started it. So overall, I think from 3,500, we are gonna take a loss of like $700. So it looks like we are only gonna be up maybe like $2,900, a little bit under $3,000 from when we started doing the breakout strategy. And again, this is one of those things where it's a lot better to cash out early if you think it's not gonna be running in a certain direction, because just right now we're losing $700 on a $3,000 gain, which is what's $700 is almost, it's 20-30% almost on my full gain, and that's off of one loss. So the R&R is not good from the style that I'm doing. So generally, I think what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna have to switch my call positions. Instead of buying 3 calls, I might only buy 1 and then kind of let that ride and just look for other plays, because I think that's going to be the better R&R. So the better risk to reward. Instead of buying 3, potentially losing $1,000, and then it just killing all the gains in like a matter of maybe 1 or 2 or 3 losses in a row might kill all the gains. So I think for now I'm going to stick to just 1 call, maybe 2 calls if I'm super bullish. But I think the most that I would do on the breakout is 2 calls. If not, I would be switching to shares to basically run up on the actual share gain instead of the option gain. So, but for right now, I'm pretty sure this is going to be the first loss on the breakout strategy. I think this makes us 7 and 8. So 7 wins out of 8 trades that we've taken. We still have shop. I think is the only other one that I have going on right now. I think it's only shop, crowd, wing, and then I do have Dropbox, and I just bought into one Johnson & Johnson today. So I think we have 5 plays going right now, and I think shop is probably gonna be another loss. It doesn't look like it wants to run to the upside, but I still got another month on that, so that I can definitely hold that for a while. I'll see you guys later. Just wanted to update you guys. More than likely, also on McAfee too, which seems like it might keep running down. So as of right now, it does look like we are going to take our first loss on the breakout, which is this, which is basically on crowd, $700 loss, and we've been 7 wins out of 8 trades total. So that's still about a 90-95% win rate as of right now. But we'll see what happens later on. Again, that can definitely fall lower. So just wanted to update you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you later.